Model, 62-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 2.0 CDTI, 90 PS, Eco-Short Wheelbase, ST.RF EU5 SL. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 186045. MOT, the 16th of June 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhp, Euro 5, transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox is winding and grinding in 4th, 5th, 6th, so will need repairing, will be replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon.